Nex-G Automation, we specialize in developing advanced electronics and IoT-based solutions for modern industrial applications. Our expertise lies in delivering customized electronic systems and reliable safety devices designed to solve real-world industrial challenges. From smart monitoring solutions to intelligent industrial safety equipment, our technologies help industries improve efficiency, enhance safety, and gain better operational visibility in today's connected world. At Nex-G Automation, innovation begins by deeply understanding the challenges our customers face every day. Once we receive a problem statement or requirement from a customer, our hardware design team carefully studies the application in detail. They analyze the environment, understand the technical challenges, and explore the most effective technological approaches to develop the right solution. Based on the identified solution approach, our firmware development team begins designing the embedded software architecture, ensuring seamless functionality and reliable system performance. Working closely together, our hardware and firmware teams collaborate to achieve perfect system integration, validating that every component works together efficiently and reliably. Once the electronic architecture is finalized, our PCB design team begins developing the printed circuit board layout. Every design is carefully optimized to ensure high performance, strong signal integrity, and the reliability required for demanding industrial environments. Once the PCB design is finalized, the design files are sent to our PCB fabrication partners for manufacturing, where the digital design is transformed into precision-built printed circuit boards ready for the next stage of development. Our PCB development combines precision design and advanced manufacturing. Each circuit board is carefully designed, assembled, and tested to ensure reliable performance for demanding industrial and IoT applications. Our software team develops intelligent applications that enable easy device configuration, real-time monitoring, and seamless system integration. Through intuitive platforms, users can access live data, manage devices remotely, and maintain full visibility of their operations. These solutions help industries achieve smarter automation, improved efficiency, and reliable system control. Once the fabricated PCBs are received, our production team begins the precision soldering and component assembly process, ensuring every board is carefully built to meet our high standards of quality and reliability. At the same time, our procurement team ensures the timely sourcing of all required components and materials, carefully maintaining strict quality standards to support reliable and efficient production. Once the electronic assembly is complete, the product moves to the box building and mechanical assembly stage, where all components are carefully integrated into the final enclosure, forming a complete and ready-to-use device. Before reaching the customer, every product undergoes a rigorous functional testing and quality verification process. Our testing team carefully evaluates each unit to ensure all electronic functions, communication interfaces, and system responses perform exactly as designed. Every parameter is verified against strict performance and reliability standards. Only after successfully passing these comprehensive quality checks is the product approved for deployment in demanding industrial environments. Once the product successfully passes all quality checks and testing procedures, it moves to the final stage of packaging and dispatch. Each unit is carefully packed to ensure safe transportation and protection during delivery. The finished products are then shipped to our customers. At Nex-G Automation, we are committed to delivering innovative, reliable, and high-quality electronic solutions that help industries operate smarter, safer, and more efficiently. At Nex-G Automation, our commitment to customers continues even after the product is delivered. Our dedicated support team provides reliable after-sales service, including technical assistance, troubleshooting, and system guidance to ensure smooth operation. We work closely with our customers to resolve issues quickly, provide updates when required, and ensure our solutions continue to perform efficiently in real industrial environments. Because for us, delivering a product is just the beginning of a long-term partnership.